The purpose of this assignment was to create a worksheet that shows the sales, tips, and my net tip as a server at a restaurant in Portland. So the bartender gets 13% of a customer's drink sales, and the server assistant gets 1.75% of the food sales and 2% of the drink sales. So what we first had to do was insert a column called subtotal, and we did that by clicking on column E, and then we hit insert over here. And then we have the subtotal, which is just the formula that adds B7 and C7. So once we have the formula, we use the fill handle, double click on that, and it fills the whole column with the formula. Then what we do is the total received as a percentage of the subtotal over here, and the formula for that is E7, which is the tip over here, divided by D7. So the tip as a percentage of the subtotal. And we can see once we have the percentage here, we can go to format cells and format it as a percentage over here. Then we click OK, and again we double click on the fill handle, and it fills up the formula over here. Next, we do the formula for the bartender's tip amount, which is G7 times C7 over here. Again, we do the fill handle, and we calculate the formula for what the assistant gets, which is the percentage from the food plus the percentage from the drinks. That's what the server assistant gets. So to calculate our net tip, what we have to do is take the tip left over in E7 and then minus it from what the bartender assistant get. And this is what's left over for our tips. And we again double click on the fill handle, and this fills right up. So after that, we can do merge and center for the column heads over here. And for these subheadings, we can do text wrap. We can also change the color by going to fill color and clicking over here. Now to make a copy of the worksheet, we go down here and we do move or copy, and then we click here to create a copy, and after that we create a copy called tip formulas, which we renamed using this tab over here. After that, we can show all the tip formulas by going to formulas and clicking on show formulas. So what I learned that helped me using this was the fill handle. When you double click on it, it fills up the entire column, so it makes things easier to finish all the formulas.